Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Nathan, your host of Blow Up Masters, and we got something very, very cool. Well, you guys seen it, it's the Ecovacs T8. And yes, I had two of them. I got the US version, I got the Chinese version, which I got through Alibaba.com. And with this Chinese version, it's called the T8 Plus or T8 Pro. Well, with the Pro model, you get the self-emptying bin. You also get the vibrating mopping module, which is in the far corner over there. Now, for the standard T8, which is the US version, you just come with the standard non-vibrating mopping module. Okay, so here's some good news. Well, this friendly person in my viewership or comments, whatever you put down there, they actually let me know when the US self-emptying bin and vibrating mopping module is coming out. That should be in August or sometime later next month or so. So hopefully that's true. I will keep a watchful eye when Ecovacs does release the accessories for the T8. Alright, let's get on with the video. So in this video, we're going to do the self-emptying bin. We'll see how well it can extract the debris. And you notice the dual extractor ports. Yes, it's a very unique design. No other self-emptying bin has a dual extractor port. So we'll see how well that does. Now, like the Roombas, it has a bag system, which is disposable. And you should be able to hold about 30 dustbins worth of dirt. Alright, let's go ahead and put some dirt on my floors and we'll see how well the self-emptying bin does. Well, I have a bunch of dirt material. I got some candies, I got some fun dip with powder, also have some hair. We'll see how well the self-emptying bin can extract some different layers of hair. Also got my favorite, mac and cheese. Yes, great with the kids. We also have some gummy bears, and lastly, plastic beads.
Hey, I'm gonna mute your audio for a second. No one wants to hear you speak. Hey, can I have my Lucky Charms back? I don't want you to use it in the testing.
Well, I better get this stuff down on the floor and hurry up and get the robot to start cleaning because I can't have any evidence that I made a mess on my wife's floor because if she finds out, well, it doesn't end well for Robot Masters and I have a very special place outside. It doesn't look too bad. I think the robot can handle it. So the Ecovacs T8 is the leader in functionality and performance of robot vacuums, and there's a lot of features that this guy has that rivals its competitors, and one of the features is that self-emptying bin. The T8 is the only one with the self-emptying bin, LiDAR navigation, front-facing camera, vibrating mopping module, the list goes on and on. Okay, let's see how well the self-emptying bin can extract the dirt from the dustbin. One thing you can do is actually lift up the lid and see in action how the self-emptying bin works. Alright, let's get you guys right up here.
Dust emptying initiated. Please wait.
So the lack of a dirt detection sensor and dustbin fold sensor, I had to break up this test in multiple areas so the robot would go back to its docking station. That's unfortunate, the Roombas have this feature. So yes, that's a special feature that Ecovacs has on the vacuum models. You can run the robot with the lid open. I guess it helps with the visualization if you happen to lose your robot. Just keep the lid open. Just kidding. Okay, so we're about halfway through it. You notice like when I did the Roomba, the rice challenge. Yes, thanks so much for watching that video. That video hit 1 million views. Just mind blowing. Anyways, so with the Deebot, I noticed it does scatter some of the debris around because it shuts off its vacuum motor and extractor bar. Kind of wish they kept it on until it reaches the dock so you won't have to scatter. But with the dual extractor ports, was able to get all the dirt debris. And then again, I'm using powder, larger bits, smaller chunks, hair, and it has no problem extracting the dirt from the dustbin. Now, the only problem I have is the robot is slipping on my hardwood floors because this is laminate flooring, so it's very slick. So if you have this type of flooring, definitely put like a rubber mat or some type of carpeting so it helps with the traction. It's just my minor gripes. I think Ecovacs can fix this problem and maybe exchange the wheels to a more stickier rubber. Here's underneath the robot. You can see that the wheels do have some dirt and debris on it, which could cause the slippage. But overall, the robot's doing a really good job extracting the dirt from the bin. I had no problems with that. So let's keep on going and see if this Ecovacs T8 can finish up the cleaning job. If you're in the market for a robot vacuum and you want something that has every feature possible, well, the Ecovacs T8 basically is the model for you. It has the vibrating mopping module, also has the self-emptying bin. There's a front-facing camera that acts as a security system, also has the ability to avoid poo and other obstacles. And with its long 20-minute battery life and its 24 CFM of airflow, it's one of the most powerful robot vacuums to date. Well, what do you guys think? It's doing a pretty good job. It still has a mess, so I'm actually going to have this guy run a couple more times in this area so you can finish up cleaning all the scattered debris. Nice thing about robot vacuums is you can always have them run over and over again until you're satisfied with the cleaning performance. Also, I tried out a different mat, so we'll see if the robot can get back on its charging station. And stay till the end because I'll show you how much the dirt and debris the self-emptying bin picked up in its little bag. Alright, hold on 1 second. Okay, let me tell you a little about my life story. Yes, I know you guys are all going to fall asleep at this point. Anyways, so I've always had a love for robots and electronic products, so that's why I created this channel, Robot Masters, so I can showcase my passion about robot vacuums and any type of robot products. As a kid, my parents got me a Lego Mindstorms, which is basically a programmable Lego set, and I was able to learn about algorithms, learn how to solve mazes using sensors, light sensors, cameras, all those cool sensors back in the day, and I've always had a passion for robots. So that passion's never ended, but unfortunately my career doesn't directly work with robots, but I still get to do a lot of cool space and aeronautics, so I'm very fortunate to be able to work on the cutting edge of technology. Alright, let's see how well the Ecovacs T8 did. Okay, so thankfully these robots work over Wi-Fi, so software updates can help improve the performance and navigation abilities of these robot vacuums. And one of the areas that the T8 could use is the navigation abilities of finding its charger, also the ability to redock itself. You notice the wheels did slip, so if the robot did go on its charger faster, it could use the momentum to get on top easier. Well, that was a very exciting test. Okay, so the self-emptying bin process itself is really good, and you can see there's no dirt or debris in the dustbin. Completely empty. So yes, it can handle large amounts of debris in the dustbin, no problem, because they're dual extractor ports. See that? Those two black holes. And if you get the regular T8, you can punch out the little black plastic plates and have the self-emptying bin. So I assume that Ecovacs, once they sell the self-emptying bin separately, will come with the self-emptying bin dustbin, which has the two little holes right there. Okay, now moment of truth. Let's see how much dirt and debris is in the bag. It's actually quite heavy. There you go. Have a great rest of your day. I hope you liked this video, so like and subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. And be safe out there. I'll see you guys next time.